So in this video, I'll be showing you how these scammers use sites like this to create fake transaction receipt and to be looking very real, very legit. And stay to the end because also be showing you how you can get access to this link. And mind you, this video is only for educational purposes, just to create awareness. In December is approaching, many people will be, all these scammers will be online looking for how to take people's money. So once you get access to the site like this, all you have to do is just input the details that you want to input, like the sender's name and the beneficiary details. All right, so this is how the interface looks like. So after you log into this, once you get access to the site, you just put the receiver's name, sorry, the sender's name. So let me just use John Lewis. Yeah, John Lewis as the sender's name. So after I'm done with inputting the name, you go to the account number. You put the sender's account number. Then select bank. Select the bank. This bank you are selecting is the sender's bank. So select the bank. Let me just use PalmPay. Let me use PalmPay. Okay. After selecting the bank, then you put the beneficiary details. This is the beneficiary details now. You put the receiver's details. You put the name. After the name, you put the account number. Make sure to count the account number to, so you'll be sure that it's up to 10. That's how they do it. And you can also use this app to prank friends. I'll use this app to prank some of my friends. So if the bank, if the receiver's bank, if the sender's bank is the same with the receiver's bank, you check that box. If it's not, you go ahead and type the receiver's bank there. So after putting the bank, you put the amount you want to transfer to, then narration. So after you're done inputting all the details like this, correct, check, make sure that it's correct, then you hit transfer. Gosh, I can't believe I was scammed with this. Okay, it's not, I won't totally blame myself. The receipt was looking very real. So if you need this app, I'll be leaving my number on the description of this video and in the pinned comment of this video, so you can contact me and I can send you the link to this site. And mind you, the site is not free, so don't come to my DM and be begging or stuff like that. It's not free, price is negotiable. Come to my DM and let's deal. Please, 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 this video is only for educational purposes, not for any other means. Once you are done generating the receipt, you click on download. You have to download the receipt, or you can screenshot it and send it to whoever you want to send it to. This video is only for educational purposes.